The kitchen is often called the heart of the home. And in 2025, modern kitchen design is all about blending style, functionality, and comfort. If you're planning to upgrade or design a new kitchen, here are some of the latest kitchen design ideas that are trending this year. One of the most popular concepts is the open plan kitchen. By connecting the kitchen with the dining or living area, you create a spacious, airy environment that encourages family interaction and makes entertaining guests easier. Adding a kitchen island with seating further enhances this open layout, serving as both a cooking and socializing hub. In terms of style, minimalist kitchens with clean lines and clutter-free countertops are dominating trends. Neutral colors like white, beige, and soft gray remain timeless. But bold tones such as navy blue, matte black, and deep green are gaining popularity for cabinets and backsplashes. Adding depth and luxury, smart storage solutions are another highlight. Pull-out drawers, hidden compartments, and vertical shelving maximize space while keeping everything organized. Pair this with modern lighting, such as under-cabinet LEDs or pendant lights, to create both function and ambiance. For materials, natural finishes like wood, stone, and marble are trending, offering warmth and elegance. Sleek quartz countertops and durable porcelain tiles provide both style and practicality. Finally, the rise of smart kitchens cannot be ignored. From touchless faucets to energy-efficient appliances and app-controlled lighting, technology is redefining how kitchens look and function. With these modern and latest kitchen design ideas, you can create a space that's not only beautiful but also highly functional, making your kitchen the perfect blend of creativity, comfort, and innovation.